Usahay ba, makapangutana ko sa kaong kalingon, nganong ganahan ko mag-picture? Or why I love taking pictures? Or why is it hard for me to let go and delete pictures? Why every time I see beautiful places, I take pictures? Bonong gugo. And why is that every time I have small achievements, I take pictures? And why in everything I do, I take pictures? By looking at those photographs, I have realized that there's beauty in everything that happened to me and around me. Photograph helps me to see the beauty even in the most unexpected things. Photograph pictures the time that won't get back. Photographs brings back awesome stories and memories. Photographs gives me calmness and peace of mind. Photographs is all I have. I love taking photographs because everything can change within a split second. You'll never know if something or someone will stay by your side for the rest of your life. Photograph tells a story without a single word. Photographs capture my experiences, passion, joy, and sadness. Photograph keeps me track of everything. Photographs allows me to compare different things and identify changes in my life. And also, there's one thing that I can still remember my younger self keep on questioning. Why is it necessary to protect nature? When I was a kid, I really don't understand why my father prefers to work in the middle of the jungle even though it's dangerous. I don't know why he prefers to be alone looking around. Once I asked myself, is my father crazy? As I grow older, I gradually understand and realize the value of nature and why it needs to be preserved. You'll be able to say that there is more joy than what I am used to. The joy that nature gives you is different. Nature gives us everything for free. Nature gives you peace. Nature will never judge you. Nature helps you learn the value of silence. Nature helps you realize your mistakes. Nature helps you appreciate your existence. And nature helps you to trust yourself. Nature will help you understand what freedom is. Nature helps you appreciate the existence of others. Nature helps you to discover yourself more. And nature will make you realize being alone is not lonely.